Hi everybody, it's your lovely Lotus Blossom Lizzie, and today I'm coming to you with an Etsy shop restock and a bit of a journal flip through as well, so you can see what's inside of this. Now I always like to do flip throughs of the journals so the recipient will know exactly what they're getting before they get it. So this will be up in the shop today at 6 p.m. and today is the 5th of February. So I also put some accessories here as well, so I'm going to go through everything. But before I get started, I always like to request that if these are the type of videos that you like, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification button so that you'll be notified when more videos like this one come out. So first, let's look at the journal itself, and then we'll go over the accessories that you can get to go with this actual journal, because you know it's always nice to have like a full kit, of course. So this little book here is one of my rescue books, and it's part of the I Want to Live collection here, and I wanted to kind of show the books on their own instead of putting them all together so you can really see what you're going to get. So it had like this lovely cover, and I didn't really have to do much to the cover. It was in excellent condition, the front and the back of the cover, and I added some washi and some ribbon on the back that coordinates very nicely with this. And you can see we have like some tabs, and we'll talk about those in a moment. And it has just tons of pages that you can use, over 120 pages I believe that are in this book. All the exact details will be in the listing itself as well. And so I made sure to put on some really large heavy duty rings on this. Now these are 2-inch rings and they're oversized, so you can actually add pages to your journal or you can take pages out. You can work on the pages outside of the book and then put them back in, and you can change the order of the book. So that's the advantage of putting these nice open rings that you can open up, and you can really kind of customize your book any kind of way that you would like. So let's go ahead and go into the side of the book. And inside, I always like to put a little note from this book, from the I Want to Live collection. And I'm not going to read the note. So whoever gets the book, then they'll see that note that the book wrote to them. Because, you know, it's a rescue book, and it was happy to be rescued. So right inside the cover, we have like this beautiful paper with some ribbon lace on it, and it is a pocket. So you'll see here, I'll just kind of demonstrate the pocket here. There's a pocket on the front, and I'll go ahead and show you in the back. There is a pocket in the back also, so that gives you like some additional space to kind of add things that you like. So we have a pocket here. So this book is approximately 5 inches, 5.75 inches, that's 5 3/4 by 6 1/4 inch tall. So it's like the perfect size that you can put in your purse and take with you if you wanted to, or take on a trip as well. So it has various types of papers in here, and you'll see some of them, and those papers include music sheets, lined pages, grid pages, children's school workbook pages, vellum, cardstock, heavyweight paper, and it has some of the original pages that were from this book as well, because they were very beautifully illustrated. So let's go through some of the pages, and you'll see this is some of the vellum with a nice inspirational quote on there. You know, it's always nice to open up a book and it has nice inspirational quotes. So I won't, stop on every page, but I'm just going to just kind of flip through as I'm kind of chit-chatting and show you. I made sure I had plenty of journal space in it, so you'll see lots of white pages in here. Again, you can replace the pages if you want, but you have lots of pages that you can do watercolors on. You can actually do mixed media if you wanted to, or you can just write on it. It could just be a simple writing book for you, or you can use it as a junk journal as well. So I wanted to make sure that I just added in tons and tons of pages, and you'll see pages from like crafting books in here. And here's one of the original pages, and you can see again it is illustrated very beautifully. And so that's why I wanted to make sure I had some of the original pages from the book in here as well. And then you can see on some of the pages also it has some embellishments that are all sewn in, and it has fabric, and like this one includes fabric and ribbon, and there's lace and all kinds of paper, and it just adds such beauty to the pages, and they're all sewn in. So in this particular book there's no staples and there's no glue, so those embellishments are made to actually last. They're gonna stay in this book, and if you wanted to, of course, you can rip it out. So it has some lined pages in here as well, and here's some graph paper and more blank paper for you to put your thoughts on. We have cardstock in here, and I love the way this book came together. It was just it just has such a good feeling. You could even give this journal away as a gift if you wanted to. It makes the perfect gift. Look at that. Love you. And I love the way the textures of the sewing and all of the different layers of things that I put in here. I love the way they feel. I'm a texture person, and probably if you watch me, you're probably a texture person too. So I like that. Now, the white paper is a mix of regular copy paper, and also it has paper that is heavier than regular copier paper. So that way, if you wanted to do like some painting and things like that, some lightweight painting, then you would be able to do that in your pages, and you don't have to worry about them falling apart. And again, you can always take the pages out and work on them individually, and that way you don't have to worry about things bleeding through by mistake, of course. So that's a nice touch. I added in this lovely envelope so you can use it as a tuck spot and put things in if you like. And then I love the colorful and whimsical pages that I got out of like a workbook that I had from Slim. Slim was the little kid that lived at my house and he had some workbooks from school that hadn't been used, and some of them that were, but those workbooks are just so colorful and very pretty, and I love using those within my journals as well. So here's another one of the original pages, and it has like this lovely embellishment on here, and it's all sewn on. I also use like washi tape in some various spots as well. And what would be nice is you can add your own touch to this book by adding your own pages, maybe from some of your children's books also. You can add pictures on here, and here's another one of the tabs here with some wonderful fabric embellishments and sewing also. And so you can make it like a scrapbook, and it already has background, so all you have to do is just put your pictures on top of the lovely backgrounds that are already in here, and then you can write some very nice sentiments. So we have like a little floral flower here. So again, this book, I just keep looking at it because I love it. We got some washi tape on the back there, and it just makes it makes you want to write. It inspires you to write, and it motivates you to write when you have a book this beautiful and this pretty. So I'm hoping that whoever gets this book, that they will definitely actually use it, because we all do it. We buy things that are so pretty and then we don't want to use it. But the good thing about this is if you are afraid to use the pages, you can add your own pages in here and just use those and leave the other beautiful pages in here blank if you like. But I would like for you to use it, of course. So let's see. Let's just move these rings around a little bit so that they'll be out of the way while we're turning here. So it's very easy. I made the holes nice and big so they won't rip easily. And here's another one of these lovely tabs, and we have like some fabrics. Look at that. I love this. I like touching. I love touching textured pages. And here's some more washi tape on the back of here. And this was like just such fun to put together, such a lovely book and all. So again, we have like some of the original pages in here. We have the front and back pockets that are on this book. We have the embellishments that are made with fabric and lace and all kinds of goodness. And then we have our pockets here. And everything is all sewn together with love. So this is the book, and this is the Best of Friends book. And again, it comes with a little letter from the book itself. I thought that was a nice added touch. So now let me show you the embellishments. So first I'm going to show you, you can get with this book as well, you can hit the drop down within the listing itself and you can see the add-ons that you can add with this book. Now this is a bookmark and it is so beautiful. I added on this nice clasp. You can actually add on some ribbons and fabric if you like, and so you can change it up if you wanted to, but I would definitely just love to use it just like this personally. I also added on a nice saying here, and it says possibility begins with imagination. And I put that on with some vintage brads that I had, and the back is also done, so it doesn't matter which way that you look at this, it has that nice vintage look to it, and it has some weight to it, which I love bookmarks that have weight to it. So it's not your ordinary bookmark at all. And I'll just show you kind of what it looks like when you put it in the book and you have it sticking out, and there you have it. So you have it, this wonderful bookmark, and you can actually affix it to one of the clips if you wanted to. So this is a bookmark, and this is the Best of Friends bookmark. So that will be listed separately, but if you want to get these together, there's going to be an option for you to do that as well. And also we have these lovely pins that are also up in the Etsy shop as well. And of course, the more items that you buy in the Etsy shop, the more savings that you have. And so we have these pins, and this actually has a like a faux diamond on the top of it. I love these pins, and they write so nice and smoothly, and everyone that has gotten these, they've said the same thing. They love those pins. Now we have this beautiful pack that I made as well to go with any book that you might have, and this is the Ephemera pack. And I put like a lovely little paper clip on here that's going to come with this as well. And it has like beautiful on the front, and it has like this beautiful lace doily. And I sewed this all together, and I made this from some wallpaper. So this was like a vintage wallpaper border that I made this out of, and it came out better than I expected it to. So let's see what kind of goodies that we put inside. I'm just going to move everything out the way so we can see what's inside this wonderful packet. So I wanted to make sure I included some big pieces, some small pieces, vintage pieces, you know, journaling cards and all of that good stuff. So we have, let me just pick this up here. We have like some of the vintage postcard replicas here, and I'm not gonna just talk about all of them. I'll just kind of show you. We have like some photographs that are already over at pleasantcreations.com. So most of these pieces of ephemera you can get outside of this ephemera kit from pleasantcreations.com. And I just love all of this. And look at that little bitty envelope. It is so cute. And it had some items from the travel packs there, and we had like a this was a distressed little book page that you can actually write on, and I decided to go ahead and add that in. This is actually some stamps from some top stamps that I had, and these are vintage as well that I got from an estate sale. And this looks like a journal card, but it's actually masking tape. It is some washi tape, and it has like some circles on it, and I definitely can show you without peeling it up, but I don't want to peel it up though. And it has like just some different size rectangles as well. And we have some oversized journal cards here. And this one says remember with some numbering on it, because you gotta have some place to journal. If you go on vacation, you can put some things about your vacation here. Primping ain't easy, because y'all know we got some cutie pies that will want this book as well. And then we have some wonderful tags, some more journaling cards, and these are like some photo markers, vintage. And then we have like some Monopoly money, because if you wanted to use this for like your junk journal, you want to have like some whimsical type of pieces in here as well. So I added in like some playing cards here, some vintage playing cards, and here's another tag, like a phonics card. That's wonderful, like a wonderful vintage card. And I had like these little bitty cards. Look at those kitty cats. Those are so cute. They are so irresistible, and like a little hobby like little girl. You guys remember Holly Hobby? And these are all from some vintage cards as well. And then we have like some cardinals. I love this card. It has like that shiny gold on it. And this is actually a vintage German vocabulary card here, and then some tickets. So I had all this, and I loaded this whole pack. Is actually over 44 pieces in this pack, so it is just fantastic. And I think I'm going to make some more packs like this also to sell individually as well. So all of these will be up and available for sale at 6 o'clock on February 5th. And you have the option of just getting the journal only or getting the accessories that go with it. So you can get the full kit, which is the journal, the best friend's journal, and then also this huge ephemera pack that has I'm sorry, I said 44 pieces, but it's actually 46 pieces. And then you have like this wonderful glamorous pen, and then also the coordinating bookmark, if it's available, of course, because this will be listed separately as well. So you have the option to get all of these also. So that is the best friend's journal. And so excuse me, if this is something that you enjoyed seeing and you like, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I love to know your comments below. Let me know what's your favorite part of this journal kit. And that would be it. So with that, I'm going to say love, peace, and hair grease from your sweet lotus blossom and lovable Lizzie. Have a fantabulous day and enjoy life.